In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix the issue where your WordPress changes are not showing on your live website. So if you've made some changes to your WordPress website in the dashboard here, and then you head over to your live website and you can't see the changes, then there's a few different methods that we can use to solve this. Now, the very first thing you need to do is clear your browser cache. Now, I'm using Google Chrome, but if you're using a different browser, then the steps are going to be somewhat similar. So all you need to do is head over to these three vertical dots in the top right-hand side, come down to clear browsing data, and then just select cookies and other site data and cached images and files and click clear data. Then once you've done that, you can try refreshing your website and seeing if the changes have been updated. You can also come over to these three horizontal dots and select new incognito window, and you can try launching up your website from incognito mode, and that's going to deliver you the freshest version of your website. So sometimes this as well can fix the issue for you. Now, if that doesn't solve it, there's probably a cache plugin that's actually installed on your WordPress website. So what you need to do is just head over to your WordPress dashboard, come down to plugins, and just check for any caching plugins that you might have installed in here. So on my particular website here, I've got something called WP Rocket, and if I hover over this at the top, you see we have this option here for clear and preload cache. So if I select that, that's going to clear all of my website cache. Now, there's a bunch of different caching plugins out there like Light Cache and a bunch of different others, but usually you'll have the plugin name in the top navigation here and you can clear the cache through this navigation. Alternatively, you might need to come down to this left-hand navigation, and sometimes through the settings in here, you can also clear the cache. Now, once you've ensured that you've cleared all of the cache on your WordPress dashboard, the next thing that you need to check is for any caching plugins outside of your WordPress website. So this could involve a caching plugin on your actual hosting account. So if you head over to your hosting account, sometimes there's cache features inside of here. I know SiteGround, for example, definitely has some sort of caching feature on their hosting platform. So you'll need to log into your hosting account and just search for any caching features that the hosting might have, and you'll also need to make sure to clear it from there. Now, if you don't have a caching feature on your hosting platform, then you can just ignore this step. Another thing to check is if you use a CDN like Cloudflare, for example. Cloudflare has its own caching feature built into the website. So if you are linked up to Cloudflare, then you'll need to log into your account and clear your cache from here. Other places that you could find this cache is something like Azoic or some sort of third-party ad platform that you're using. You'll basically just need to ensure that you've cleared the cache from any of these places. And then once you've cleared all of this cache, when you head over to your live website, you should be seeing the freshest version. And then each time you make changes to your website, you just need to remember to go in and clear the cache like so. And it's as simple as that, guys. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.